Hello, and welcome to the pet room. I'm looking inside an 8032, and yes, the universal board. I mean, everything here looks pretty fine. There is a layer of dust, not surprising. And the fuse on this machine has issues, so I cannot even plug it in to give it a try. But we can go for a little look-see. So here we are. There are RAM chips. As you know, I think you can see most everything is not socketed. There's a ROM chip in these sockets. There's the keyboard cable. We're going around. And then, there goes the keyboard cable. Now we're way in the back. And I'm just looking around. I don't see anything that seems to be missing. The cable that we see, that goes up to the monitor. 2 empty ROM sockets. There's the keyboard cable. Thank you, keyboard cable. Background, and everything looks remarkably clean. The transformer has a little rust, but you know, these things happen. Go in from the side. See what else. Anyway, it looks quite good. Oops. Just gonking the phone. It does look quite nice in there. Oh, I see what I've done. I have gonked the little wee tripod a little bit. All right. So, I would really love to hit this with some power and see what's what. But I cannot, not without some operations. Anyway, I'll see. Maybe I'll do that tonight for the T-Pug fix at night. See what I find. Anyway, thanks for coming, having a look inside. And oh, I don't know if I can get there. We can see it, but I'll look here. I can barely see that. I don't know if that's going to come into focus or not. It's probably not. Let me try tapping on this. There we go. The universal board for the 8032. Cool. Anyway, that's enough for now. Stay tuned. And we'll dig more into this as well as many other machines. Bye for now.